Click on the link below to get price. The Eufy Security eufyCam S44 Cam Kit is an impressive security solution that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. This wireless outdoor camera system is designed for those who prioritize convenience and efficiency in home security. One of the standout features of the eufyCam S4 is its solar-powered capability. This means that the cameras can operate independently without the need for frequent battery replacements. The solar panel attached to each camera ensures uninterrupted power, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. During my testing, I found that even on cloudy days, the solar charging provided ample power, allowing the cameras to function seamlessly. Image quality is another significant aspect of the eufyCam S4. The 2K resolution ensures that every detail is captured crisply, whether it's day or night. The night vision feature is particularly impressive, providing clear images even in low-light conditions. Motion detection works flawlessly, with minimal delays and alerts sent to the smartphone app. The customizable motion zones allowed me to focus on specific areas while reducing unnecessary alerts from passing cars or wildlife. Installation was straightforward. The user-friendly setup process guided me through connecting the cameras to Wi-Fi and mounting them securely. The included mounting hardware made it easy to position each camera for optimal coverage, and the app interface is intuitive, allowing for easy adjustments and monitoring. One downside is the lack of a local storage option, as the system relies on cloud storage for recorded footage. However, Eufy offers flexible subscription plans that can accommodate various needs. Overall, the Eufy Security eufyCam S44 Cam Kit delivers exceptional performance with its robust features, high-quality video, and practical solar power. It is a reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security without the hassle of frequent maintenance. The combination of affordability, functionality, and ease of use makes it a worthy investment for peace of mind.